Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: a Heyday account and a linked App Store or Google Play account. First, link your farm to Facebook or Game Center so promotions stick to your profile. Next, follow Heyday on social channels and enable notifications so you don't miss timed giveaways. These are the most direct source of free gift cards. Once done, scan the in-game events and shop tabs immediately for limited-time promo codes or partner offers you can claim right now. You'll accelerate progress by using reputable reward apps and cashback services that pay out App Store or Google Play credit. Complete surveys, watch short ads, or finish small tasks. Cash out once you hit the payout threshold to buy gift cards. Make sure to stack bonuses. Use promo codes, timed sales, and cashback from a linked card to stretch each purchase. While doing tasks, verify app legitimacy and payout rates so you spend time on sources that reliably deliver gift cards. Once you have the gift card, redeem it in your Google Play or App Store account and then purchase diamonds or packs inside Heyday. After purchase, restart the game and confirm the items arrived. This refreshes account sync. If the code doesn't work, make sure the gift card matches your store region and hasn't expired, and verify you're signed into the correct account. If problems persist, contact the App Store or Heyday support with receipt details for a fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.